Hey foodies! Today I'm going to show you how to make beef souvlaki. You can use beef, chicken, lamb, any meat you really want to use, it doesn't matter. In the end, it's going to taste delicious and it's going to be a great summertime treat. We are over halfway to our 1,000 subscriber goal. And I want to thank every single person who subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. If you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button below. I look forward to teaching you guys more in the future, so let's get into the recipe. Alright foodies, we're going to start with 600 grams of prime rib steak, and we're going to cut that into half-inch cubes. And this recipe should make about 4 to 5 souvlaki. Go ahead and grab yourself a bowl and place all your meat into the bowl. We're going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of yellow prepared mustard, 1 tablespoon each of garlic granules and onion powder. I mix them in the same container for my own convenience. You do not have to do the same thing. And about 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, Greek of course, and about a teaspoon of salt. Kosher as well. I mean, if you don't have kosher, don't use kosher. But who doesn't have kosher? I guess I never had kosher at one point. Either way, use whatever salt you have. Now some freshly cracked black pepper, and about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Extra virgin, Greek olive oil. Now it's time to get dirty. Mixy. Alright, get in there and mix that meat up. You want to get it all nice and coated for the skewers. Now it's time to skewer the meat. If you have wooden skewers, you want to make sure you soak them in water or a white wine to help give it an extra bit of flavor overnight so it doesn't burn when you put it on the grill or on your barbecue. Now I have cast iron skewers. These are new for me, so it's going to be interesting to see how they work, but they should do the same job. Put the meat on the stick and let's give this a go. The key here is not to skewer your finger. I've done it many times working in a Greek restaurant. It is not fun. Fortunately, these cast iron skewers are not as pointy as wooden skewers, so be careful when you do this. Now you want to put in about 3 ounces of meat onto each skewer and you want to mold it so it's all nice and even. It looks like I had some left over. The package only came with 4 skewers. I should have bought the second pack. So I'm just going to barbecue that straight up on the grill. Or in a frying pan. Might go through the grill. I'm going to try it on the grill. Either way guys, make sure you have enough skewers to do all your meat. So on a barbecue or a charcoal grill, you're going to place your meat onto the grill. Be careful not to burn your fingers. I'm testing out my new fire pit, so I'm going to be using some real wood here, not charcoal, and see how it turns out. And you're probably wondering where the 4th skewer of meat is. Well, I was distracted setting up the camera and forgot to put it on. I cooked it after. Don't worry, it got eaten. The goal here is to get a nice char on the meat without burning it, so keep it moving. I have a really hot fire going right now, so I need to make sure I'm constantly moving it. And guys, if you had not had beef souvlaki on an open fire, you need to do it. If you have a backyard fire pit, put a little grate on it and just go do it. I'm telling you, this and some tzatziki will be the best thing you ever had. Which I have a recipe for tzatziki if you haven't tried it out. It's right here, somewhere in this box. There's a card for it. Go click it and check it out. Of course, after this video. Don't click before the video's over. Alright, our meat is done. Let's take it off and move inside, because it looks like it's going to rain here. Here we go guys, beautiful beef souvlaki. Now let's give it a squeeze of fresh lemon on top. And lest I not forget, I showed you guys how to make a finishing marinade, so let's grab some of that and put it over it as well. If you haven't seen the recipe, you can get it right here. Just click the little eye in the corner, the little card, whatever it's called. And now let's give this a little taste. This is my kind of meat. This meat tastes really good. Wow, that sounded wrong. I'm going to end right here. Foodie out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up. You can also help support me and my channel by joining my Patreon, where you'll get exclusive behind the scenes content, recipes, early access to my videos, and much more. Thank you again for watching.